Imagine you have 10 meetings. Let's say you're booking 7 or 8 of them or 9. You could be happy about that. That breaks my heart for you because that just means you're offering such great content, such great product for a small amount. So everyone's grabbing on. They understand your value. They see your value. That's why they're hiring you. They just realize that you don't see your value yet. And I want you to catch up to that. So if you're booking 7, 8, 9 of the 10, pause. You're offering too good of a product for too low of a price. So what I want you to do is you're going to increase your price about 20%. See how that goes. Leave it there for a while without increasing your offer. See how it goes. Go through another 10. See how many of them book. If you notice that the bookings have gone down, maybe now you're booking 6 or 7 of them. All right, you might be going down the right path. Maybe we can increase a little bit more in price and see what that does. It's all about trial and error. Maybe you can increase it a bigger amount and then offer a little bit more product for them too. Find your perfect spot. So you know that if your clients are saying, oh my gosh, this is quite the investment, but there's no other photographer like you, you found the sweet spot.